Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Vishwanath Bitte, and today in this course I am here to welcome you, all of you, and as well as I also want to congratulate you because you decided to invest your time in learning something new. E-content, artificial intelligence and information technology, these are the things we cannot survive in the coming days. And already since last 10 or 20 years, we have been slowly adapting and learning things. In this course, I am going to share my knowledge, I am going to share everything that I know with you people. And to learn all these things, I have completed dozen of courses from Udemy and Coursera to learn how to develop e-content. And gist of that all learning of years as well as taking those courses, I am going to share you in this course. There is one thing that I would like to talk about in the very beginning, and that is, don't take this course just to finish it or just to get a certificate. Instead, I want you people to go along with me. If in the first lesson I talk about blog and how to create a blog, then I want you people to work along with me to create your own blog. Then only we will go to the next lesson. Otherwise, if you just follow up lesson after lesson, and if you don't cope up with that, there will be a difficulty in practically using those tools. That is why my humble suggestion to all of you is just take more time to complete this course. Though it is called, it is just a 10 days course, I want you people to spend more time on it. If required, I would suggest you to take one lesson and then wait for a day or two to complete another lesson. What we usually do is we just rush into the courses and just watching television, watching YouTube channels, watching videos, watching tutorials, that is not the right way to acquire skills. E-content development, working with this ICT, is a skill that needs practice. That is why after each and every module, after each and every lesson, I want you people to spend your time, at least a day, to create your own e-content. And then at the end of the course, we will be talking, we will have an interactive session, and throughout, if you find anything difficult, you know my email ID, you can just contact me and I will definitely help you people. Once again, let me tell you what is the purpose of creating this entire course. All the knowledge that I accumulated in last few years, I want to share with you people so that the entire educational system can lift up, can cope up with the new system that is coming. And that is where I want you people to go along with me. Now let's go and enjoy the first section. After each lesson, I want you people to spend more time on a practice. Let's go and enjoy the first session or the first lesson. Thank you.